J&K region is very important region for the government of India point of view. J&K has a lot of resources, mainly the handicraft, horticulture, tourism, all this IT, deep technology, all this carpet making, shawls and everything. So we find this particular state, need to improve on the startup. Already it's showing a lot of good growth, no doubt on that. So that's the main purpose in which we have assembled here and conducting this event.
हमारा काम ही ये है कि हम इंडिया के नोक एंड कॉर्नर से अच्छे स्टार्टअप्स लेकर आए डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स में और उनमें इन्वेस्ट करें.
We invested in a temporary staffing company called TeamLease, which is listed on the stock exchanges. And what TeamLease does is it works with more than 500 corporates pan-India to offer them staff on a temporary basis. So if you have a factory and you want to deploy 200 people very quickly that have a certain educational background, technical skills, etc., then you go to TeamLease and then they give you that staffing. So that's as J&K starts seeing manufacturing and other sectors show up, temporary staffing will always be an opportunity for you.
How we get help from these daughter funds? How are we going to get help and grow? Use today's opportunity. The daughter funds are there. Talk to them.
However, there's a lot more journey that we have to cover. There's a lot more that we have to achieve in the startup ecosystem in J&K. And for that, I'm grateful to both Ministry of MSME and also to the SRF Fund for having chosen J&K as a location to come and have this event here.
There we are targeting to onboard 500,000 of our micro small businesses on the ONDC network on the digital market platform. So this is a initiative of Government of India for democratization of digital commerce, and out of the 500,000, about 250,000 will be women entrepreneurs. So I will request the stakeholders present here to also tell our craftsmen, to help our craftsmen, our weavers, our artisans to get onboarded on the digital market platform, which is completely free. So there will be handholding services from our side, and we'll help them discover the market through the team initiative.
So we want to know what are some of the gaps that you have in your state, and accordingly you can demand from RAM program and build up the ecosystem so that everybody who wants to become an entrepreneur has access to whatever need they have. So RAM is a very good program. J&K is doing well.
मुझे लगता है कि जम्मू कश्मीर बेस्ड इंटरप्राइजेस और वेंचर कैपिटल मैकेनिज्म से जोड़ने का ये सराहनीय प्रयास पहली बार हुआ है, और उनके बिजनेस ग्रोथ और उनके एक्सपेंशन के लिए इक्विटी बेस्ड फाइनेंसिंग ऑप्शंस उपलब्ध हो सकेंगे. मुझे विश्वास है कि इससे जम्मू कश्मीर के इंडस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम तथा नेशनल फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस के बीच एक लिंकेज स्थापित होगा और एंटरप्रेन्योरियल ग्रोथ को जम्मू कश्मीर में मजबूती मिलेगी. आज ये पहला कदम है और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक की तरह जम्मू कश्मीर में भी इस फंड के जरिए लाभ प्राप्त करने वाले एमएसएमईज की संख्या आने वाले दिनों में बढ़ेगी. हम एमएसएमई के तीव्र ग्रोथ को ध्यान में रखते हुए ऐसे एमएसएमईज को फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट प्रदान करना चाहिए जो टेक्नोलॉजी, गुड्स और सर्विस सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं, और यही भारत को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. और इसलिए अब जिम्मेदारी देश के लोगों की है कि जब वो अच्छे सपने देख रहे हैं, देश की एस्पिरेशंस के साथ उनकी एस्पिरेशंस जुड़ी हैं, तो उन्हें वो सारी सुविधाएं मिलें ताकि देश में जो कुछ हो रहा है वैसा जम्मू कश्मीर के भी युवा कर सकें, यहाँ के एंटरप्रेन्योर कर सकें.